You're looking at a portable DJ booth table, and the first thing that I want to try to do before I set it up is to see if I can fit everything in the bag that it came with. That way I can easily carry and transport the DJ booth conveniently wherever I go. So let's go ahead and test that out now. So everything did fit in the bag pretty easily, and there's a lot of extra room, and you know what? It's surprisingly not that heavy. Alright, so just to recap, everything fit nicely into the bag. Now I'll take everything out and start to assemble it. Instead of going over each step in great detail, I'll let the video do the hard explaining for me. But as soon as you get those black panels you see there installed, everything just snaps together and it can be assembled, I would say, in like 2 minutes, which is fantastic. This portable DJ booth is composed of a strong metal frame you can see there. And once you get the table put in, which goes right where I'm showing, it is unbelievably sturdy and stable. Now the detachable DJ table is 40 inches in length by 20 and comes with 3 cable holes you can see there and 2 additional triangle tables for the upper corners. The 2 triangle tables are a breeze to set up. They just simply slip into place as you can see in the video. And this table is the perfect size for accommodating your DJ controller, laptop, mixer, whatever equipment you have. In my humble opinion, I think this portable DJ booth looks great and it's perfect for gigs, bars, wedding scenes, you name it. I hope you guys found this video informative and a little bit entertaining, and hope to see y'all in the next one. Bye for now.